everyone, welcome back to another vlog. So I'm here at Glambox Beauty Studio. Did you miss this place? I did. So we are here today for a makeup workshop. Kasi it's not too white, it's not too light, diba? It's not too white, it's not too dark. And this one naman, speaker eh. Kasi ito parang 24 hours eh. We have this one. We are in the middle of the one-on-one makeup workshop with Selenia. And sobrang na-amaze siya sa mga foundations, sa mga brushes. And she's a fast learner. This is Selenia's before and after brows. O, diba? I love it. So perfect. So, gagawin niya ngayon. You need to do it. Kaya mo yan. No, kaya mo yan. We're finally done with the one-on-one makeup workshop with Selenia. She was so cute. As in, sobrang cute niya. Sayang, hindi ko na-vlog. She went up. Umalis na siya eh. Anyway, I have here my good friend, Cheska. Na-meet ko na siya before. Siguro na-vlog kita before. Na-vlog kita. I love her hair. Tingnan mo yun. Yun na-miss mo talaga yung long hair ko. Finally done with the first session and then the meeting. I'm done with that. Now we're gonna set up for the batch number. Sige ate, tayo mo lang. Ako na lang mag-ayos dyan. Batch number 13 or 14 for the makeup workshop. And then OOTD, quick OOTD. I have this top from Person. It's a bat wing top. Sobrang ganda. I love it. And then jeans from For Me. And then I have decent makeup on today. Then baba. So we're gonna set up muna and then I'll be back. I'm taking a little break. I love this. Chicken. Okay, everyone, say hi to batch number... Anong batch ba kayo? 13? 13! Batch 13 of the makeup workshop. Hi, girls! Hi! Pinatanggal ko yung mga plastic sa kanila, sa mga brushes kasi, you know, medyo madaming plastic. And then they're gonna take the before shots on the white wall. Hi, Lara! Do you have any shout out sa mga friends mo?
Hello! Andito lang sa Glambox.
Hi girls, wanna join here?
Hi!
Hi Mabi, hi Jaya.
Hi Dayan, nandito na ako. Sama ka sa akin next time.
Hi mates. Hi Han, nandito na ako. Hi Meme, sunod sumama ka na. Hi girls.
What's your shout out?
Hi Arlene, andito na ako sa Glambox. Tuturo ko din sa Glambox.
Okay, we're now gonna do the daytime to nighttime makeup and I'm so impressed by batch 13. Sobrang galing nila gumawa ng kilay. Tignan nyo naman, lahat, sayang walang before, pero later may before. Ayan yung mga kilay nila ngayon. O, diba? Hi, Lara! Hi! Can I see, Vanessa? O, diba? Can I see? Pack na pack. Diba? Can I see? Nagawa mo? O, diba? Marunong ka naman pala eh. I love it. Okay, almost done. So, we're just working on the daytime to nighttime makeup. Nakakatuwa silang lahat. So, may selfie mode. Ayan! Dito kayo, harap kayo dito! Lara, pose! 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 Cute! Ayan. Oops, sobrang yellow. Okay, okay. Bye! Love it. So pretty. At ka-comfortable. Kasi yung iba ayaw ng eyeliner na liquid. Yung iba gel, yung iba ka pencil lang. Yung iba eyeshadow with water lang. Makeup ka, no? Artista ka, no? Hindi ko sinasabi sa amin. We're finally done with the class, so we're gonna take a class photo. Uy, mukha akong Simpsons. Yellow na yellow ako. Love it. Finally done with the picture taking. Thank you, girls! Thank you! I'll keep you posted. Nako, enjoy your brushes and your brushes. Thank you! Bye-bye! Okay, the girls just left and now we're gonna pack up. And then I have to rush to another meeting sa SM Manila. So, ayun. We're now here at SM Manila. We're gonna have a little early dinner here at the French Bakery. And bago ang kanilang, ano tawag dito? Placemat? Placemat? Paper placemat. O, diba? So cute. Medyo pagod ako. Pero, uy, in fairness, gumana yung Barack Coffee. Mark's Lidong gave that to me yung Barako coffee na ano. Pero I still need a coffee press. Uy, so wala akong mahal na coffee press na ano. Yung 200 plus lang. Sa Robinson Magnolia lang nakita. Help me ako mamaya. I just finished a meeting with FEU students, nursing students. Jessa? What's your name again? Pauline, Marjorie, and Angelica. O, diba? They're so cute. Ano tawag sa inyo, Tamaraws? Hindi rar. Ano yung sound ng Tamaraw? Hindi nyo alam, kayo. Anyway, yeah, you're gonna see them again soon. Feb 24. Love it. Chicken parmigiana. This is my dinner. Then we have that hot chocolate in a pot, pero hindi na nilagay sa pot, so in a cup. Hot chocolate in a cup. Pero isa, alam mo, konti. Hindi ako nagbibiro, ang konti. Sabi mo? I think they're tricking us. Kasi kailangan 2 cups yun eh. Music. Finally got my coffee press. It's a crumpet. Basta. And my makeup remover. Galing.
Oh, kailangan pa pala.
Ano ulit? Mas pa. Tips. Bawal siya magsigar. Paano niya ginagawa? Paano niya ginagawa? Kaya nga very fresh eh.